Everyone talks about stocks when it comes to investing, but did you know there's another way to grow your money that's often considered safer? It's called a bond. Today, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible. Number 1. The basics. A bond is essentially an IOU. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a government, a company, or an organization. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest. Think of it like this. Instead of you borrowing from the bank, the roles are reversed. You're the lender. Number 2. How bonds work. Let's imagine a government wants to fund a new highway. Instead of raising taxes, they issue bonds. Investors like you buy those bonds. Over time, the government pays you back, plus interest, until the bond matures. This setup is simple. You lend, they use the money, and you earn a return. Number 3. Why bonds matter. Bonds play a big role in investing. Lower risk than stocks. They're usually safer, especially government bonds. Predictable income. Bonds pay steady interest, which makes them attractive for consistent returns. Diversification. Having bonds in your portfolio balances out the volatility of stocks. They may not double overnight like some stocks, but bonds provide stability, a safety net in uncertain times. Number 4. Types of bonds. Government bonds, issued by governments. They're very safe, but usually offer lower returns. Corporate bonds, issued by companies. Riskier than government bonds, but they often pay higher interest. Municipal bonds, issued by states or councils to fund public projects. Each type has different levels of safety and return, giving investors options depending on their goals. Number 5. Risks of bonds. Bonds are safer than many investments, but they're not risk-free. Interest rate risk. If interest rates rise, existing bonds lose value because new ones may pay more. Credit risk. If a company or government struggles financially, there's a chance they can't repay you. Inflation risk. If inflation goes up, the fixed payments from a bond may not stretch as far in real life. So while bonds are steadier than stocks, you still need to understand these trade-offs. Number 6. Who should consider bonds? Bonds are popular with investors who want safety, steady income, or a way to balance a stock-heavy portfolio. For younger investors, they may be a smaller piece of the puzzle. For retirees, bonds often play a much bigger role because they provide consistent cash flow. It's not about bonds or stocks, it's about using both to build a strong portfolio. So, what are bonds? They're essentially loans you give to governments or companies, and in return, you earn interest until you get your money back. They might not be flashy, but they're one of the most reliable ways to build long-term wealth. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe to Finance Talkin', and drop a comment. Are you team bonds, or do you prefer stocks?